Affiliate marketing is the only business online beginners should start with. And here's why I say so. Number one, no product creation required. You're not going to have to spend months, sleepless nights, creating a product or a service, creating the funnel, creating the messages, setting up the sales copy, doing everything about setup, tech, messaging, tech, marketing, everything. You don't need to go through any of those, all of those. You just concentrate on promoting an offer that has already been set up and proven by another. That's a big advantage. Number two reason is low startup costs. You don't need to worry about fulfillment. You don't need to worry about the cost of equipment, most equipment. You don't need to worry about cost of a lot of different things that you have to deal with if you are not doing affiliate program. You don't need to bother about inventory. You don't even need to bother about dealing with suppliers or whatever, even if you want to do dropshipping. All those hassles are off. You do not need to bother about those. The only place you need to focus your effort are on the three things: get traffic, build an audience, and send them to the offer. So this means your costs are much lower than people who have to do the other things in addition to building traffic and building an audience. You still learn core online business skills while you're doing affiliate marketing. You learn how to build an audience, you learn how to generate traffic, you learn how to write effective copy, you learn how to do email marketing right, how to keep nurturing people, building trust, showing your expertise, showing your experience, showing your trustworthiness, and making people ready to buy. You're still learning all those core skills when you do affiliate marketing without the additional burden and costs and stress of building a business. Number four is that there is a massive variety of offers for you to promote in any given niche. If you have picked your niche correctly, you have many different offers, from low tickets to mid tickets to high tickets. Of course, I always recommend high tickets. But if you do your niche selection correctly, you can select a high ticket niche. And when you select the high ticket niche, there will be a lot of glorious offers for you to promote. You have a lot to choose from. And you can, because you have a lot to choose from, you can cover a wider range of needs for your proven audience without bothering about creating those solutions or products or services. So you look at, because your audience will not likely have only just one need that should be met. They might have a range of needs within the scope of that niche that will need to be met. If as much as broad as the scope is, no matter how broad it is, you have offers that will cover it if you've picked your niche correctly. And because you have a wider range of offers to pick, it gives you also more opportunities to sell to the same person and make a lot more money. Affiliate marketing allows you to leverage on high converting funnels and all the marketing tools and systems. For example, if you pick the right offer to promote, it will have been tested. The funnel will have been tested by the creator to make sure that from the top of the funnel to the bottom of the funnel, the process is awesome. From their own end, their email sequence, so that when you send them to the site, if they buy or don't buy, they have an email sequence that they have tested. They have upsells they have tested. They have cross-sells that they have tested. And if you've picked your affiliate program well, you benefit from the upsells and cross-sells. And you don't have to bother about knowing how to create those things initially. They are already there. They have been tested for high conversions. All you have to do is what? Send traffic to the products page and you gain a commission while leveraging on highly converting funnels, emails, and things like that. You also earn while you learn. If you want to go through a course that will teach you how to set up a business, how to go through all the pieces of setting up an online business before you start setting it up and then start doing it and start making the money, you're going to wait a long time. But affiliate marketing allows you to forego a lot of learning and start learning a critical part. Of course, you still need to learn a critical part, which is like picking the right niche, setting up a platform for traffic, building an audience. But you see, it has reduced what you need to learn. And then when you have mastered those to a degree, you start promoting. Even when you have not yet perfected this, how to build an audience and generate traffic, the little audience that you have and the little traffic you can generate can already begin to allow you to earn, especially if you have picked your niche right and you have picked a high ticket niche. In a high ticket niche, with 1,000 visitors sent over a period of 3 months, you can make up to $3,000. While you're still learning, take note, but you have started earning. And this gives you an advantage. Because you're earning, you're highly motivated, more motivated. Because you're earning while you're learning, you can even invest more in your training and your education to learn what you need to learn faster. It is scalable and flexible. You can start affiliate marketing part-time. If all you have every day is just 1 hour, you can start with that 1 hour and begin to build something. 1 hour every day. Then as it grows, you begin to build momentum. You can grow to a point where from 1 hour you can go to two, or you can even totally quit your day job. And then you can also, it allows you to set up structures. Let's say you have started and you have built to a point where you can quit your day job. That means your audience has grown. You have matured on the platforms of choice you are using. Now you have become more knowledgeable. It's easy for you to scale into other business models like coaching, like selling your own product, like having consultations. Affiliate marketing allows you to lay a very strong framework for your business growth online. And if you're a beginner, just about to start, or you have just started, I encourage you to focus your attention on affiliate marketing. It's the best place to start as a beginner. But there's a way to go about it to get it right. You must pick the right niche. And if you've been watching my video, I recommend you pick a high ticket niche. There is a lot in that process to get the right ticket niche that applies to your strength, to pick the right affiliate offers that align with who you are, your core values, your life aspirations. We take care of all these and more in our mentorship program. We take you by the hand from where you are today to a point where you make at least $10,000 per month. We do all that within 24 months of mentorship. If you want to join our mentorship program, click the link, the first link in the pinned comment and description below. It is titled $10K in 24. If you click that link, it will take you to a page where you'll be asked to provide your phone number, email, and your name. Do that and submit. Once you submit, you will get an email automatically in the email you provided, asking you to confirm that email address. Please open that email and click the link to confirm. If you don't confirm, the conversation stops there. But once you confirm, you will get another email. It will have two links in it. One of the links will take you to an application form. The other link will take you to our overview document for the mentorship program. If you open that overview document and read, it will give you a snapshot of what we will be doing for you in the mentorship program. We will take you by the hand from where you are, wherever it is, to a point where you make at least $10,000 per month. Now, the other link is to the application form. Open that application form, fill it out. We are asking you questions to ensure you are the right profile for our program. Because even though our mentorship program is awesome, we know that it cannot work for everybody. You need to be a certain kind of person and profile to be able to make it work. So that application form helps us determine that. If you fill out the application form and submit, our system is set up to automatically determine if you are the right profile. And if you are the right profile, you will get another email within 5 minutes giving you a link to a place where you book a call. If you go there, book a call, you'll see different times. Choose the time that is convenient, most convenient for you. Choose that time, book a call. And once you do, you will get another email within 5 minutes giving you my phone number. The reason why we're giving you my phone number is so that you will save that number. So that when I call you at that time you picked, you will know it is me and not a random stranger. Then when I call you at that time you picked, you can ask me all the questions you have, share your concerns with me, and then when we are through, we can give you our payment details. Then you can pay and join our mentorship program. But what if you don't have the time, or you don't have the inclination or even the aptitude to go through the mentorship program, but you still want to be earning $10,000 per month or $20,000 per month, or even as little as $1,000 per month or less? There's an opportunity for you in what we call our Done For You program. It is DFY-Passive Income Digital Assets, PIDA. It's the second link in the pinned comment and description below. Click that link. It will take you through a similar process as those who are signing up for the mentorship program. That is, you will provide your name, email, and phone number, confirm, then you will get another email with a link to the overview document and a link to an application form. In this case, make sure you read the overview document. The overview document for the Done For You is critical because unlike for the mentorship, in the mentorship, we know you are going to come to learn and we're going to teach you the process. But in the Done For You, you're not going to be taught the process. So we needed to give you a more detailed explanation of what the Done For You is all about, how we build it out for you, what's in it for us, why we are doing it, the options that are available, the payment plans, the payment options, when you start earning, the packages, the options of packages that you can pick from. Every detail we included there. So make sure you read the overview document. And if you have a lawyer whom you work with, or a CPA or accountant, anybody who advises you when you make important investment decisions, give it to that person to look at so that the person will advise you. We want people who come into our Done For You program to be informed, well informed about what they are getting into. Because when you invest that money, it will take 24 months for us to build out the digital assets for you. And it is by the 25th month that you start earning the money we have promised. So it is up to you now to transform your financial future. Within 2 years, you can be making as much as 16 million naira per month or even much more. Think about what that will do to your family, to your children, to your spouse. What kind of person will you be when you can do the things that you have been held back from because of money? The ball is now squarely in your court. All it takes for you to start this journey is click the link, one of the links in the pinned comment and description below. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you and have a great life.